Pistol get the bucket, hit him up, now he ain't walking. Shot him for his comments, that's for speaking on my goblins. We done turned up projects, niggas know that we the hardest. We be spinning, damn. Pray I don't get sentenced. Fuck it, we gon' hop out and wiggle. Damn, free my niggas in the system. I'm on a mission, we just tryna kill 'em. My life a paid, but I use this shit to rap. If you don't support me, you ain't getting the same dap. Glizzy, it's all black, got a 30 with a tap. If I let it, everybody getting clapped. Everybody getting clapped. We outside with 2 straps. 2 straps, 2 mags. Hit 'em with a food at. Bitch ass niggas, you know how we coming, free niggas, man. ADG, we up next, nigga. I'm the one to take this shit over. I'm gonna put the guys on. Free niggas, we'll be home soon. And now her back, gang. We don't do no talking, hop out feet and then we spark it. Pistol get the bucket, hit him up, now he ain't walking. Shot him for his comments, that's for speaking on my goblins. We done turned up projects, niggas know that we the hardest. We be spinning, damn. Pray I don't get sentenced. Fuck it, we gon' hop out and wiggle. Damn, free my niggas in the system. I'm on a mission, we just tryna kill 'em.